I want to talk today about another example of how motorcycle and motorcycle riders are treated differently than ordinary four-wheel vehicles in the general public. Not only by the public, but also in the law itself. And in this example, we're talking about lemon law. Now, I'm no lemon law expert. I do not practice lemon law, but what I had found surprising is in Georgia, its lemon law specifically excludes motorcycles. No rhyme or reason to it. Lemon law applies to all other four-wheel vehicles, yet specifically excluding motorcycles. I found that quite shocking. I don't understand why. I would love to hear if someone out there has heard of a reason why motorcycles are excluded from Georgia's lemon law, yet every other four-wheeled vehicle is part of the lemon law. And obviously this has some big ramifications. I was talking to a member of the group a couple months ago about the video I had done regarding the Harley-Davidson recall. That was the clutch recall. And we got into a little bit of discussion of that, is the difference between a recall like that surrounds a manufacturing defect and lemon law. And you could see how when it comes to the manufacturing defect and things like that, you obviously have a right to a claim there when you have a motorcycle that has been manufactured in a defective way. But what about lemon law? The whole reason lemon law was there was to cover the gap in Georgia law between a manufacturer's duties and responsibilities and once that vehicle is resold. Motorcycles are no different than four-wheel vehicles. I don't understand why there is this difference out there in Georgia law. But I wanted to bring that to your attention because I found it quite shocking. Didn't know it myself until I saw it. I looked it up to confirm, and sure enough, it's right there in the statute. So be careful out there when you're purchasing a motorcycle. Georgia lemon law does not protect you in the purchase of that vehicle. Again, no lemon law expert, but that seems like it's leaving a huge gap out there where motorcycle purchasers and consumers are not protected like the rest of the motor vehicle purchasing public in the state. So there you have it. No coverage, Georgia lemon law. Hope you enjoy this video. You may hear some comments from you all on the subject matter. Certainly if anyone has a rational reason why the legislature excluded motorcycles, I would love to hear it. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.